Bitcoin is right now breaking out. Right now is going to be the time to be paying attention. Bitcoin is trying to be breaking above this critical level of resistance. So Bitcoin is right now trading at a crucial time, and right now is going to be the time to be paying attention. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 100 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into what's a short term. And yes, Bitcoin is right now trying to be breaking above this level of resistance over here, breaking out this symmetrical triangle towards the upside. But while I have already opened a very small position over on Bybit, well, Bitcoin is still actually trying to be breaking above this level of resistance over here. And to be honest, this is going to be a crucial level for Bitcoin to be breaking above, because if we're going to be zooming out, this resistance is just coming from this level over here. And like you can be seeing over here, this has been a crucial level for the Bitcoin price, both acted as a very important support and also right now resistance at this current moment. So if Bitcoin can be breaking above this level, I think we are going to be easily reaching the 68k level. But do keep in mind that while it is going to be very hard to be breaking above this level of resistance, well, we are getting this breakout right now in the short term, and we are getting a lot of momentum because of this breakout over here. So yes, I do think it could be very possible to be breaking above this level right now over here. Now anyways, let's see how it is going to be developing with this ascending triangle. We can also be having a look into what's right now if we are going to be getting another rejection, or if we are going to be seeing a clean breakthrough right now. That is going to be very important. So let's have a look into what's this ascending triangle over here. But anyways, a big reason why I do think that we can actually be seeing this break towards the upside right now already is going to be because of the stock market. We can actually be having a look into what's the stock market versus the Bitcoin price right now. And yes, we have both seen this massive crash towards the downside for both the stock market and also for the Bitcoin price. But actually what we can be seeing during our recovery is that at our initial bounce towards the upside, well, Bitcoin bounced a lot more towards the upside. But after the initial recovery, well, Bitcoin actually started to consolidate while the stock market just kept going towards the upside. And yeah, Bitcoin is still just consolidating over here. So Bitcoin is lagging behind. Bitcoin is getting uncorrelated with the stock market again. And usually what we can be seeing is that Bitcoin usually catches up with the stock market with a big explosive move towards the upside. So I do think that once again, this is going to be happening. I do think that Bitcoin is going to be catching up with the stock market again. That is at least what it usually does. Anyways, if we are going to be having a look into what's a longer term comparison with the stock market and the Bitcoin price, we can actually be seeing that Bitcoin is once again uncorrelated with the stock market at this current moment. I've circled all of these yellow areas where the Bitcoin price and the stock market were uncorrelated, and right now we can clearly be seeing that, yeah, there's an uncorrelation going on at this current moment. But a very interesting pattern which we can be seeing is that in every single bear market, whenever we have seen uncorrelation, well, we have seen an even bigger correction towards the downside after the stock market also got a move towards the downside. You can be seeing it in this initial bear market crash over here, in this COVID crash over here, a big move towards the downside. Also in this bull market, actually, we got also uncorrelation going on, and what happened right after is Bitcoin shot towards the upside very explosively. And also right over here, we are still trading inside of a bull market, and Bitcoin just shot towards the upside right after. Also right over here, at the bear market bottom, well, Bitcoin went towards the downside while the stock market went towards the upside, and boom, we saw Bitcoin bottoming out with an explosive move towards the upside. Right now we are seeing the same exact thing. Bitcoin is moving sideways while moving to, even moving towards the downside, while the stock market is moving towards the upside very heavily, recovering this correction very quickly, while Bitcoin is still just consolidating sideways. So I do think that anytime soon, Bitcoin is going to be catching up with this uncorrelation. Usually in a bull cycle, Bitcoin catches up with a big move towards the upside. So let's see what is going to be happening. This is definitely a very interesting signal we can right now be having a look in towards. And because of this thing right now going on, I definitely also do think that in the short term, we can be seeing a bigger bounce, and we can actually be seeing a break through this resistance over here. Now anyways, let's see what is going to be happening, because we do know it is currently a summertime, and a very interesting thing we can be having a look in towards is that during every single summer for Bitcoin has been moving very, very boring, with an exception of only 2 summers, and actually these 2 summers were during a bull market. So yes, still Bitcoin is moving very boring towards the sideways. We are just seeing some sideways chop. I do think that it will be pretty likely that it is going to be continuing for the next couple of weeks, but of course that doesn't mean that we cannot be seeing this move towards the upside, towards these higher end of the ranges, and this level of resistance getting hit. Anyways, yes, Bitcoin is still just consolidating sideways inside of this range over here, but anyways, this is going to be the time to be preparing yourself for that next Bitcoin move. We can be seeing that volatility is sitting at all-time lows, but every single time, whenever volatility is sitting at all-time lows, well, that should actually be the time to be preparing yourself for that next Bitcoin move, because a huge move has come right after this low volatility. And yeah, truly after this boring period of sideways consolidation, I do have a very strong feeling that we are going to be getting another big move towards the upside in that longer term. Just keep that in mind. In that longer term, we are going to be getting a big move towards the upside. I do think so. Just in that short term, we want to be having a look into what is going to be happening with this level of resistance over here. Now, I have already opened a very, very small position over on Bybit. This is just for, some fun purposes only. Now, on top of the Bitcoin charts, actually looking quite bullish right now, and also this uncorrelation with the stock market right now going on, well, we are also seeing that the Bitcoin funding rates are actually still trading negative. So that is why I've opened a very small position right now already. I do think that there will be a pretty high probability of us actually breaking above this level of resistance, but I do want to be opening my real position if we are going to be breaking above. I just want to be waiting for this extra confirmation. Right now, it is still going to be too risky to be opening any kind of a big trade. So yeah, if we are going to be getting this clean breakthrough above this level of resistance, I do want to be opening my Bitcoin trade. Right now, this is just a very, very small trade right now. But anyways, yes, I am actually going to be getting interested in actually trading this one towards the upside. And if you are going to be getting interested in trading this yourself as well, make sure to check out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can right now be getting a $30,000 deposit bonus. And on top of that, if you are using that first link down below, you can also be getting this $500 trade, which is a trade you can be claiming completely for free. It is literally Bybit this money. Just sign up a new account using that link down below, complete KYC level 1, and there you go. You can be claiming this free airdrop position worth $500. So yeah, absolutely insane. Be sure to be checking it out with the first link down below. Anyways, what we can be seeing is that the DXY, the dollar currency index, is once again starting to fall towards the downside. And what we can be seeing is that each and every single time, whenever the dollar currency index is actually starting to fall towards the downside, that is going to be the moment where Bitcoin moves towards the upside exponentially. And if we are going to be seeing another cycle of the DXY falling towards the downside right now, heavily, just like we could be seeing over here, well then Bitcoin is really about to start that last wave towards the upside, that exponential move towards the upside. This is going to be looking very bullish for that longer term of Bitcoin. Now, anyways, we have of course had that Bitcoin halving. A Bitcoin supply shock is still going to be inevitable anytime soon. Bitcoin is poised to go parabolic, I do think so. And yes, euphoria is still going to be coming. I think we are trading right now in a massive bear trap. We have seen beautiful accumulation for Bitcoin. We have seen a beautiful Bitcoin trend emerge. We have seen momentum building towards the upside. Right now we are seeing this bear trap. I think right after this bear trap, we are going to be seeing euphoria and altcoins actually exploding like crazy. So let's see if the retail indeed is going to be returning towards crypto. That would be ultimately very good for the altcoins, for Bitcoin to go parabolic. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.